Superior comfort, reliable protection. The Valkyrie Lite 200 is the ideal boot for men tackling tough terrains and harsh weather. The no-nonsense, heavily lugged Vibram sole will keep you grounded on slippery outdoor terrain, including ice and snow. A rubber heel and toe will keep you protected from obstacles, which can be masked by the cold conditions, while the Thinsulate Insulation and Dri-Tec membrane will keep your feet warm and dry throughout your trek. Heavy duty and ready for anything. Give winter the boot with the Valkyrie Lite 200.